First, connect the card writer to the computer's USB port. Then place the card on top of it, open the writing software, and click Connect. Change the first value to 1 and the second value to 4. If you are using a blank card, it will use the default password shown below, allowing you to directly click Read underneath. However, because my card is not a blank card, I need to manually enter my password first. Once entered, you will see the card number at the top. I will change this card number to 1234556 with the password field located at the very bottom. According to the reference document, enter either the driver or student password and paste it into the last row. This successfully modifies the card into a student card. The next time you try to read this card, you will notice that the information can no longer be accessed directly, as you must now enter the student password to read it. Finally, I am picking up the card and swiping it on the device. It has successfully swiped, and you can confirm in the log that this is indeed the card I just modified.